Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust app permissions on Sharp Android TV. To do it, go to the settings in top right corner. Then go to apps and now go down to app permissions. Now you can select which type of permission you want to adjust. So there's like telephone, files and media, or other permissions, and there's lots of different ones. You can go into any one that you'd like to adjust. You can see I have no apps allowed and no apps denied for the camera, so like no apps need the camera. So I'll just go to like something that is actually used, like files and media, for example. And now you'll see that Google Play Store is allowed, and it actually is required to be allowed to operate. But if there was any app that it didn't require it, you could click on that app, then allow or disallow it. You can also go to system apps and see what system apps use it. I'm gonna show you on an example of Google Play services because technically you can deny it, although I wouldn't recommend doing so. But you can go into app that you want to change, then click on don't allow, and it will later display in the denied section. So yeah, I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.